Rock focus to the block. Moses is light skin, a dawn like when the night in. I'm multi-hyphen, my stipend is ripen from shot at Big Apple. On the mic, I'm Micah Parsons, any subject I tackle and grapple with whack dudes and school niggas like black schools cause they lack rules. Niggas mad cause I know the cash rules everything around me except my mind. The underground found me in depth I find. On the railroad I unjail souls like Harriet, spitting chariots of fire through the wire and live bar fences. I murder MCs, some say that it's senseless. Bomber like a winter coat, the whopping in the trenches. Known to go for it like 4th and inches. Move the chains, I maneuver through the game. My thought grab the mic like I'm on Soul Train.